Are you going to great lengths for air conditioning? No need to do all that when you get the lowest electricity cost with the Carrier Optima. The Carrier Optima window room air conditioner gives you 7 reasons to make that switch count better. Reason 1. Carrier Optima assures affordability with its lowest electricity consumption. In this energy meter test, Carrier Optima, along with other air conditioner brands, were plugged side by side. During testing, the energy meter results show that Carrier Optima yielded the lowest energy consumption, and it is even lower than its 580-watt rated specification. Reason 2. To give you more energy efficiency, Carrier Optima has the highest EER of 12.1, which is superior among other brands. This gives you an annual savings of up to 6,804 pesos on your electricity bill. Reason 3. On top of all these savings, each Carrier Optima unit comes with a patented energy savings plug that gives you an additional 40% energy savings. Reason 4. The powerful cooling system of Carrier Optima is backed up with powerful air distribution features that deliver 20% more cool air faster and better as compared with conventional window room air conditioners. Reason 5. Unlike the usual net filters, Carrier Optima is equipped with a multi-pore filter. Tested against other brands, this multi-pore filter is a much more effective guard against dust, pollution, and other allergy-inducing particles to make sure that each sniff of air is not just cool, it's cleaner and healthier too. Reason 6. The ingenuity of Carrier Optima begins inside the hood, which houses a powerful yet energy-efficient compressor and added cooling coils, which are designed for high energy savings and optimal cooling. Reason 7. And to ensure that we deliver the Carrier Optima guarantee, we are giving you access to our customer care center backed up with a nationwide service 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Experience the Carrier Optima window room air conditioner today, because cool, clean air is now an affordable necessity made easy. Contact us at 863-5555 or visit us at optima.carrier.com.ph for details.